they are the slippers, no? For the geta, which is left, which is right, kahit ano. So, pwede siyang baliktarin. Okay lang, no? That's the geta. Next, we have the OB. The OB is the belt. So there are different kinds of OB. This one is for the gentlemen, no? Panlalaking OB. This one is for the ladies. So there are different kinds of OB. Merong OB na mahaba and then you have to tie it yourself. Meron din namang OB na ganyan na, nakagawa na tapos ilalagay na lang siya sa likod. So this one is very easy. Okay? Of course, you also have the koshihimo. Yan. So the koshihimo is the inner belt. This is used to hold the kimono or the yukata in place. So si koshihimo, kapag yung kimono or yung yukata, if it's very long, you have to fix it to the size of the person. So yung koshihimo yung aayusin mo, yung ikakabit mo. Tatali mo para maayos yung yukata. Okay? Ayun. Can I ask? Ernie Sensei, please help us. We would like to have one female volunteer and one male volunteer. Tayo na lang sa music. Dito po tayo sa gitna. It's very tall. Okay, sige. Yukata, no, for the male. Eh, mahaba siya. So if you notice, yung design niya, very simple, no? Not so colorful. Compared to the yukata of the female, kapag yung girls yukata kasi, yan, the colors are brighter, more vivid, it's more colorful compared to the male yukata. Okay, so bilisan po namin sila. So when you wear the yukata, it has to be left over right. Where's your left? Left? Left over right. Bakit po? Kasi kapag right over left, pang patay. Oh, yeah. So take note. So when you wear your yukata, dapat left over right siya. So for this one, notice, no, na mahaba yung yukata. So mismo kay gawa, you'll have to use a koshihimo to adjust the length. Yan. So, mismo kay gawa will now adjust the length. Ipit mo siya sa... So, first parang ginigitna niya. And then you have to get the length from here. So, the length should be a bit here. Sa my angle, I think. Yan, okay? Yan. So, this is the OB na kapag nakakabit na. Yan. For the gentleman, ayan siya. Okay? Sige, harap po ulit. A picture. If you want to take a photo, yung mga phone niya. Tabi kayo ng konti. Grabe kayo, magtabi na.